Okay, we're green again. We're always green. Hey guys. All right, we're in cabin 9348. Hi.
Hi.
And it is a balcony starboard. It's midship, but it's headed towards aft. Okay. And it's almost 1:30. Cabins have been available for a little while now. So there is closets. You can't see, can you? Well, you'll just have to trust me. There's nice shelving in there. Nice shelves, lots of hangers. Let's see, does this open? I do not think so. Let's see. No, it does not. Okay. All right, so there's a full-length mirror right here. There's a couch. That's a pretty big couch there. And there are drawers. And what is this? Special delivery. To Christine from Christine. Bon voyage. That's funny. That's funny. All right. A little bit of storage behind the mirror. This is my 50 bold years. It's my drink package. Cup. Beverage package. Pre-reserved beverage package. It's the refreshment package. I got a discount, so I did get that. Anyway, here's a chair, and then of course the mirrors, more shelves, mini fridge, TV, more. Oh, there's a safe. You know what, guys? I turned this TV down, and it's so loud. I'm sorry. Okay, so anyway, there's a safe right there. And more shelves, and there is, uh-oh, there's a bug. I just saw a bug. That is not cool. I did not like seeing that. I'm gonna have to see what the heck that was. I don't see it anymore. I don't like that. Not cool. Not cool at all. All right, I'm gonna wipe things down. Anyway. All right, guys, there's 2 beds, and these are slippers that I got for Virginia and I with the Royal Caribbean logo. And there's the phone, and turn the light on and off. Little bedside tables. Then, now this is a spacious balcony. So I'm guessing it's spacious, guys. It's bigger than normal. All right. Here's the balcony. There is Adventure of the Seas, The Dream, and Liberty. Carnival, Disney, Royal. Just sitting over there. Oh, and Norwegian Dawn snuck in, which you probably saw that earlier, came in. So this is not a bad sized balcony. And look, if you had this cabin next door, you could undo it and you could have a bigger balcony. Okay, so this is the room, guys. Oh, let me show you the bathroom. So you come in and there's the breakfast menus and some hooks, and you've got your closets, which I showed you. And then here's the bathroom. Very, very standard bathroom and shower with hair and body wash. You know, it's just one wash that's in there, so they expect you to wash your hair with the same thing that you wash your body with. So I'm not sure, you know, just about how good it is. Sink, nice mirrors. There's plugs up there, a couple of cups, towels. Alrighty, there you have it. Everything you need. Oh, and here's the plugs. All right. This is the announcement channel, so if you want to hear the announcements inside the room, and this is good because, you know, I don't always want to hear them in the room, but sometimes I do. So you just turn that on. And then your plugs and your light right there. I guess that's it. That is everything. This is 9348, starboard side, mid, aft, spacious balcony. Mariner of the Seas.